How to find voice recording on Android. In order to find or locate the voice recording on Android, you need to follow these steps. So here, what you need is, first of all, open the voice recording app on your device. This could be the built-in feature as well. Now then, I have an app installed to my device. Now then, the interface will look something like this when I open the app. If you want to take a voice record, you could tap on the red circle icon right in center. Here it is. And as you could see, there's a timer. And when you do it so, or when you talk about it, you could see the recording that's going on. And if you want to stop it, just click on the red circle button once again. If you want to either continue the same recording, you click on resume, or else you could tap on save. When you tap on the save button, give a name to it, and there you have the file. Now, in order to find the voice recording, you could just go ahead and open the voice recorder once again. And at the first section, you could find the files, and this is the one that you could go ahead and play, or this is already been saved. So that's how you could find or locate voice recording on Android. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.